Hey guys, we're going to shift over to Jasmy now. So Jasmy right now is trading at 0.01265. In the last 24 hours, we're up 4%, and volume itself has taken a huge hit here at 15% down. So it does indicate a slowdown in trading activity, especially when we take a look at the daily time frame. So here we can see the continuous downwards trend, always hitting the 20 moving average as a major area of resistance. But in the last 24 hours, we have seen a lot of bullish sentiment, a lot of bullish pride here coming up and possibly retesting the 20 moving average once again. On the daily time frame here, we can see that the MACD indicator is still growing strong in the green. Also, our indicator of our RSI here has crossed above our signal line. Now, the daily time frame itself has not closed quite yet, but a confirmation of a buy signal could be in the presence here on the daily time frame. We're going to focus in more on the 4-hour time frame here because there is a lot to cover. Now, when we take a look at this upwards trend itself, we may see a possible rejection coming down and retesting the 20 moving average as an area of support. The reason why I say that is this candlestick itself. Now, relatively with the piercing bottom candlestick, where this red candlestick itself has closed well below the 50% of this green candlestick, shows a lot of bearish pressure signs. When we take a look at some of our other indicators here, when we look at the RSI, we're at 57%, previously overbought signal here at 67% from Jasmy in the last 4-hour sessions. So the RSI itself could possibly be dropping from that red signal of our candlestick as well, of seeing that selling pressure. Also, when we look at the MACD indicator, yes, this is showing some green histograms. Again, signal line is found below the 0. Now, if we're looking at any possible signs towards the upside, if we can see Jasmy close above this Wix candlestick at 0.0127, then the bullish sentiment is still in play here and could possibly retest this area of resistance from these two candlesticks up here at 0.01290. That's again if we're only seeing a lot of bullish pressure in the next kind of 4-hour sessions. I want to say 4 to 8 sessions if we see that close in this current 4-hour time frame. If not, most likely the price itself is going to retrace downwards to the next area of support. And if we take a look at a next Fibonacci level, we can almost see it closer to our 20 moving average, which is going to be the test to see if this uptrend can continue on here around 0.01246. If the price itself does not hold this section and the bulls are not defending this area, then we can also see a possible drop closer to 0.01228. So those are kind of my targets here for Jasmy. We had this really nice pull back towards the upside, but it does look like we are losing some volatility. And as suggested here on CoinMarketCap, 15% down in the overall volume doesn't really show a lot of market interest in trading activity for today. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.